The process of first acknowledging that you need help is the hardest part. I did not want to declare bankruptcy. I did not want to leave my creditors hanging. It was debt that I incurred. It's my responsibility. Um, Bankruptcy was absolutely the last route that I wanted to take. So this process definitely allowed me to pay some of that debt back and make payments that were affordable. I was familiar with debt help law from being a resident of the city. Um, Familiar with Dan's Law that they're associated with. I had some mounting debt that I was not able to keep up with due to a plant closure and loss of a job. I was skeptical of relief agencies that are out there. A lot of upfront costs, but the reputation of debt help law made me feel a lot more comfortable choosing this route. My biggest fear about the debt help process was going to be the upfront costs. Obviously, there was some financial strain making monthly payments on credit card debt that I just didn't have the available cash to come up with anything up front. I didn't have to come up with anything up front. That was nice. Working with Debt Help Law was fairly seamless. It was easy. Um, the communication was great. There was pretty much from the start, I didn't really have to worry about communicating with any of the creditors. They took care of all that for me. Took it off my hands, and it was a fairly large feeling of relief. The process of Debt Help Law was great. It's basically you turn over all of your the bills. They take over for you. They take care of all the communication. They keep you in communication, let you know what the process is, and you definitely have a say in what's happening. So that was definitely a good thing. Debt Help Law did go the extra mile. I had a creditor, unbeknownst to me, after a settlement was reached, they somehow canceled that settlement. Um, Went back to Debt Help Law once I figured that out. And Dan and the team went back, dealt with the creditor again, and there was no additional fees incurred, and they actually got a little bit better settlement the second time around. I would say the best benefit that I got from Debt Help Law would be just the peace of mind knowing that I didn't have to worry about the stress and sleepless nights about how I'm going to settle my bills with the creditors. I would definitely recommend Debt Help Law to others. The feeling that you have when the payments are just keep coming and the calls keep coming and you're trying to do the right thing and you're trying to pay your bills, but for whatever reason you can't. It was a great help to have Debt Help Law take that fight up for me, and it really reduced the stress. My debt settlements are complete. I'm still making affordable payments. So the process to repay my debt is not complete, but I'm easily able to call Debt Help, and if I have any questions or concerns, I can call them, I can email them, and they definitely are responsive and take care of those questions for me right away.